going to be a Faculty of Agriculture, Environment and Sustainability. So, and I was really interested in finding out how that may tie in with the current work and the future work we're going to be doing on the climate emergency in Peterborough. I'm aware that I'm meeting with you anyway on Monday to talk about this, but I just wondered if you could let the committee know how you maybe see that fitting together.
Yeah, absolutely. And actually, I should have responded a little bit on that agenda to Councillor Robinson, because she did sort of talk about, what are you doing about the climate? So I'll hopefully pick that up now. The university faculty is developed around three sort of drivers. There is the student demand in terms of what students want to be taught, and that's important because that creates a market, and you've got to respond to your market. There's the employers in terms of what skills they need, and that's really important too, of course. And then there is building a niche for this university. What will it become known for? Dundee created a university about 7 years ago from nothing, and actually created a really good niche around gaming. And actually, it's grown incredibly quickly and got a really strong niche. We actually chose climate change and net zero technologies for the niche for this university and the university campus more broadly. So ARU are very keen on developing environmental management, net zero technologies, which includes, chemistry and physics and all sorts of things, including innovation management. But also, as we build that research component, which will be, nearly half the buildings on the site, that's also focused very much on attracting into Peterborough more companies, and our ambition is sort of like 50 or 100 companies that are all developing net zero technologies, so that Peterborough, and particularly the university and the campus, can actually become preeminent or at least highly competitive in net zero technologies. And we really want that campus to feel like it's a capital of net zero technologies and climate change action. Hope that's answered the question.
Okay. Yeah, that's excellent. Thank you. I've just got a little question back on that, because you touched upon the net zero carbon products and equipment that was going to be developed in phase 2. And I just wondered, because I'm already coming across things now, trying to implement things practically at a council level in terms of our carbon management action plans. And I just wondered, do you know at the moment what kind of, obviously you talked about the 3D batteries, but do you know what kind of products will be developed, or is that something that is on the horizon and we'll find out in sort of due course?
We will find out in due course, but we have got an ambition and a direction that we want to go in, and that's got a couple of components to it. Number one is we need a big hitter to partner with us. We can't just sort of make this up ourselves. We are hopefully partnering with TWI, that is a manufacturing technology organisation currently in South Cambs. So the reason we've chosen them is because they've got an absolutely gorgeous portfolio of industrial members, from JLR to BAE to Shell to BP to all sorts of companies. And it'd be great if we could get Peterborough manufacturing companies into their supply chains doing net zero stuff and products, whether that's a product that goes on an airplane, it goes on a car, goes on a train, goes into a power station. So it's very much about manufacturing technologies and what I'd call subsystem technologies. So not components, but subsystems, like, bad example, but like a catalytic converter on a car. So it will be that sort of thing. We've got a good partner, and yeah, we think we can develop a really good set of products, and we've got a number of methods to link all of those with the companies in Peterborough, whether that's a company exploiting the technology we'll develop on site, or it's a company dropping into the supply chain for JLR that has developed a piece of technology. Either way, we want to get more, not just lots of technology on the campus, we want to get lots of Peterborough companies manufacturing and making net zero technology and products and systems.
Thank you, that's really exciting. Thanks for letting me know about that.
Thanks, Nicola. Peter,